What's going on, y'all? This is Nick, and this is my 510 69 coupe 510. Got it, I'd say a couple months ago. It's probably only been a month. Pretty good deal. I have this one. It's a four-door, fully restored. Had an L20B built by Rebello in it. It's actually my first car back in, I want to say 2016, I believe. So, yeah. 16-year-old driving around a 71 Datsun. Pretty crazy. But since it has a restored title, I was going to fully part it out, and I just couldn't see myself doing that. So, I'm going to take all these parts and swap them over to this bad boy. So I'm gonna restore this body better than this guy. This guy was kind of rushed because, you know, my first car. I think I only had a year. I think it was half a year. Got it when I was 15 and a half. But yeah, this is it right here. Pretty clean. Just, I ended up shaving the back, but I think I kind of regret that. So for this one, I'm gonna keep the bumper. I really want to keep the bumper. I might keep this too. It's pretty sick. I don't have that on mine. These lights I'll switch over. I'll need new plastics because mine are cracked almost like this. Seems pretty common. Glass is good on the rear. OEM glass actually, I believe. Let's see. Right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little blurry. Nippon, Nissan, so OEM glass. I'm pretty excited about that. Most of it's surface rust. It's actually not that bad, in my opinion. This one was fucking horrible. Excuse my language. Mainly surface rust. There are a couple spots. Common. Floor pans. I got my dash from my 71. I'm gonna put in. Floor pans for the front. Those need to be replaced. I'd probably say the rears right here as well. These guys. Front window will definitely need to be replaced, unfortunately. But I have that one, so we're good. I think they're the same. I don't know the difference between 69 and 71, but I think they're the same. So right now I've taken these fenders off. I'll show you guys later, but shit, I'll show you now. I'm just trying to be quiet because my daughter's sleeping. But these flares are on it, so I'm gonna scrap these dudes. I don't need them. It's pretty ugly. Surface rust all over the car. I got this taken care of. Buffed it out with the wire wheel. So it's looking pretty good. I got to get down in the wheel wells. But right now I'm just trying to take everything apart. Kind of got ahead of myself on this. I just wanted to see how far I can get it down. How far I can get rid of all the rust. But it's not bad. Did this side. Took off the wipers. That motor is stuck. Unfortunately, these bolts are stripped. But yeah, motor mounts are still there. I might be able to use that one, but everything on this car has been sitting. I think the guy said it's been sitting for like 20 years. So everything's brittle. It's crazy. Like the fuse box. I went to go wiggle the fuse box and it just destroyed itself. This is the fuse box. It's just shredded. So brittle. I could pull these wires. Like a lot of these wires I pulled off just by bare hand. There is some damage on the front. I don't think that's gonna be too bad. Here I'll be able to cut that out. I might cut that out. I don't know yet. I don't really have welding experience, so I'm gonna definitely practice. I will definitely be learning. Here as well, front grille. This is the radiator support. Doesn't seem too bad. I have scrap. I mean, I can make my own scrap metal and cut out a piece and weld it up. I mean, this metal's very thin, so it won't be hard to manipulate. This side, I didn't get fully done yet, but this is the other side. Sorry, it's a little dark over here. This is what it looks like. Not too bad. Anybody knows these Datsuns, this isn't that bad. Rocker panel, that is horrible. So that's one of the main issues right there. I'll just cut that out and re-weld it. But yeah, not too bad. Down here as well, I'll have to see about this guy. This guy's pretty bad. And then typical Datsun, rust on the quarters. And it looks like the bumper right there. So rust on the quarter, freaking hole in there. So yeah, all in all, I don't think it's that bad. My other Datsun I had to do, luckily my dad helped me out because I do not know how to weld. But this car is at my house now, so I'm gonna have to learn. I need to buy a welder. Luckily we did this rear quarter, the whole thing. So it came out good. What else did we do? We did the engine bay. Engine bay needed some fixing up. But yeah, I'm gonna start taking the grill off. Try to get everything off first before I get ahead of myself again. And then work my way from front to back. These rear windows, not that bad either. Let's see if we can get this. It's not bad rust, in my opinion. But it's been pretty badass cruising around with the window crack like this. It's gonna be sick. I've always wanted a 2-door. So it'll be fun. I'm excited. I'll keep you guys updated. You know, my videos aren't gonna be freaking amazing, unfortunately, but I'll try to get you guys set up with the GoPro and a DJI mic and all that. The lighting might not be too good. This is really all I have, and then that. But all in all, there's a lot of surface rust, so I've been using a respirator. Yeah, so we'll get started. I'll keep sending you guys videos of progress. Maybe I'll do a time lapse at some point. But yeah, it's my 69 510. I can't wait to build it with you guys. Peace.